In this release, there is a change that they have done to opportunity product. And before we get into that, let me walk you through a scenario. The scenario is we have an object called account, and one account record is going to have a lot of opportunity records which are associated with it. And likewise, every opportunity is going to have multiple opportunity product records which are associated with it. Now, what exactly is opportunity product? To understand that, we have to understand the relationship between account, opportunity, and product. So we have account, which is nothing but the client. We have opportunity, which is nothing but the revenue that your company makes because of this particular client called federal account. And as of now, there are three opportunities. First one is Fed underscore health. Second one is Fed insurance. Third one is Fed housing. And likewise, there is one more object called product. These are the products that your company sells or leases. Now, as a part of this opportunity, which is Fed health, the client federal account might be interested in only iPhone. So these are all the products. Out of all the products, as a part of this opportunity, the client might be interested only in iPhone. Likewise, as a part of this opportunity, out of all the products, he might be interested in only iPhone and iPad. Likewise, out of all the products, this opportunity here might be interested in these products. Now, these are list of all the products which are available, and opportunity product is nothing but products which are associated as a part of a single opportunity. So the relationship is one account is going to have lot of opportunities. Likewise, one opportunity is going to have lot of opportunity products which are associated with it, and opportunity products are nothing but subset of the products from your object which is product. Now the requirement is we have to extend this a bit. All these objects, we get access to it as a part of core Salesforce CRM. So I went ahead and I have created one more object called shipping. So each and every product in opportunity product is going to have its own shipping details. For example, as a part of this opportunity, they're interested in only two products out of all the three products, and this product will be shipped separately. This will be shipped separately. So this opportunity product here is going to have its own shipping details, delivery dates, prices, so on and so forth. And this opportunity product here is going to have its own shipping details, delivery date, amount, so on and so forth. Now I want to create a relationship between shipping and opportunity product. Earlier, it was not possible to create relationship with this object called opportunity product. With Spring 21, they have enabled it. And what I mean by that is, let me go back to the object shipping, which I just created behind the scenes. There you go. This is the object, and I can click on new. That is because I'm interested in creating a new field in the custom object shipping. And here I want to look up to the object called opportunity product. So I'm going to click on lookup relationship, click on next. And from list of all the objects, I can search for opportunity product. Now earlier, we did not have this option. There was no way we were able to establish a relationship between one object to opportunity product. But with this release, they have enabled it. I'm going to click on next. Leave the defaults, click on next. Click on save. There you go. We are done with it. We have the custom field here. Now let me go back to the account object. There is an account called federal account. Now this account is going to have three opportunities which are associated with it. Let me go back to any one opportunity. Now I can associate multiple opportunity products with this particular opportunity. For that, I'm going to click on add product. I can click on iPhone, iPad, or any of these products. Click on select. I need to provide the quantity, 2 iPads, 5 iPhones. These are not mandate fields. I'm going to click on save. So this opportunity here, which is a child of this account, is going to have these opportunity products, which is exactly what I have specified here. This is the account, this is the opportunity, and these are the opportunity products. And now we are trying to establish a relationship between opportunity products and shipping. In fact, we have also done that. We have created lookup relationship on the object shipping, trying to relate to opportunity product. Let me go back to this. Let me scroll to the top, click on shipping details, click on new. This is going to be FedEx Electronics. Just to put it simple, I have not added any other fields to shipping details apart from the relationship field. And then I'm going to click on this. Let me search with iPhone. because that is the name of the opportunity product. There you go. We have one, and it is also giving us the quantity that we have mentioned. Click on this, click on save. There you go. Now, as far as this opportunity product is concerned, these are the shipping details. I can have due date, I can have amount field, I can have all sorts of fields. Now, what we have done is we tried establishing relationship between a custom object and opportunity product, which was not possible earlier. That's all for this episode. See you in the next one.